Right, welcome back. We've got a lot of cooking going on now. We've done the steaks. They've had an hour at 47 point something degrees, and now they're ready to go in the pan. The pan's smoking hot. What I've done is I've taken the steaks out of the water bath and I've gone in cold water for a few minutes. I've made a simple au sauce just to go with the steak, so it's getting itself thickened and reduced down now. So that's good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cook a couple of these steaks now, just in the hot pan. So you want to get the pan very, very hot. I'm just having some beans for this as well, so I'm going to get them on. Now what you've got to do is just basically add colour to these steaks. So when they come out of the bag, they're going to get, the thyme is going to stick to them, and that'll just go straight in the pan and it'll give extra flavour to it. So no real. Okay, so this is the biggest of the steaks, so we're going first. Break vacuum. What you can see from the steak when you get out of the bag is it looks quite grey, but really it doesn't look that cooked, but believe me, that is cooked. So get them in the pan. Now if you've got any juices left in the bag, you can actually add that to your sauce. I don't have a huge amount of juice here, so it's not going to be a problem. That full sauce is about the right consistency now. That's ready to go. All water goes onto that. Okay, so they should be ready to turn now. And bear in mind, these are not being cooked, they're just being coloured. This is just a reduction of beef stock with some cream and pink peppercorns added. Now one of the things about this type of cooking is you obviously don't want to let the meat now rest again, because it's had its resting time and the juices have gone back into the meat, so there's no need to rest it again.